Right. I'm going to make you a Christmas present. You ready for this, Libby? You don't appreciate it. You don't even know what's happening. Oh! What's this? Do you remember this? The last month? So we said we were going to turn the advent calendar of wine into a cat toy. So we're going to have a go. Libby is here. She hasn't really left the Wheel of Fortune box since it was given unto her. So we'll see. We'll see how she feels. She might not be bothered. Got all these lovely toys for you, including toys that have been bought by friends. Libby? No?
That's right, Libby. Lou, look the other way.
I mean, you know. Not trying to make you a present or anything, Libby. Good God. Oh, hello.
It's a bit more interesting, isn't there?
So that is the inner shell of the advent calendar. All that cardboard.
Loads of cardboard.
Luckily, we're going to recycle most of it. And it does flat pack, which Libby is fascinated with. Are you right there? You dragged yourself round the Wheel of Fortune box just to check it out. So what, 4 holes? How far do the holes go up? So the holes on the other side only go up to here.
Why don't you take one of the things that you've taken out and you can use that as a template? Put that on the back. There you go.
Hang on. It has to go this way. Because they've done it weirdly. It has to go like that.
There you go. You could have 6 circles per flap, or you could have 4 circles per flap. Have 3 doors. One hinged along the top, the other's hinged on the opposite edge.
Yes. Don't know what.
Is your brain broken?
A little bit. I'm very tired.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. Here.
Yeah.
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 Here. Here. Here.
Oh, I
and
see.
Here.
So the side
Yes.
flaps flap out to the side,
Yeah,
and the middle
yeah.
flap flaps
And then-
up
and
or
then
down.
This one, it's the same, but with the hinge at the bottom. So you cut here, and here, and here, and here.
Does she need all of them
Here
though?
and here. And then you've got 6 doors.
Does she need all of those doors?
I don't think need has got anything to do with this.
So now if I cut that, and I cut that, and I cut that, job's a good one. Although probably not there, probably to like there, and then this is the central line, like there. Although I guess probably like there. Don't need it to be super high. 3.
Cool.
It's a magic number. I just drew on my own hand.
Good. Well done.
I could only find the poo coloured pen as well. Hang, can you move your hand? There now. Because you know.
She's gonna get upset. There you go.
She's gonna be upset if it's not fucking identical.
There we go.
Okay. That's the back.
Do you want to spin it round so that I can see the front?
That's the front.
Ah, I can see you now.
But do you see what I mean about if you put stuff in?
Yeah, but it depends what you put in, I guess.
Yes, the long pole will be helpful. Hang on, these can piss off. We don't need those currently. But this you can't just do that onto the floor with it.
No.
Which in an ideal world, I'd quite like it. Having said that, I don't know if it'll stick in the cardboard, but it would be good to have that where it has the space to just do that. I don't think it will.
Just try poking it through a...
Well, that's challenging in itself.
Oh, it looks exciting though.
It does, but I'm struggling to get it through all these holes. And then you've also got the issue that actually it's probably a good mouse too short.
1 mouse too short.
1 mouse too short.
I'll just put a little bit on each edge. Oops.
Right. I think the Wheel of Fortune box is too strong.
I think you could be a mouse right now and she wouldn't get up to look.
Yippee. Don't Don't you want to play in the nice house of fun times?
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Hello. Oh. Hi. You've come behind the wizarding curtain. This is not where you're supposed to be. The front is round the front, Libby. That's fine though, because that's what we've got all these holes for. Hang on a minute. You ready? That'll do. I mean, that's the wrong side, Libby. The wrong side. Can you stand up? Hang on a minute, I'll come round. Steady. Steady. So the true moral of Christmas, as usual, was Libby doesn't want any of this. She just wants the old stick toy that's been down the back of the sofa for a year.
Yay!
Yay! Christmas miracle! No, Libby!
She's not silly.
You silly clever bean! What are you doing back here? This is not for cats. Yeah!
Don't poke her eye out, please.
It's very hard to see from back here. Oof! Steady. So there we go. That has been a look at how to recycle your wine advent calendar into a cat toy. With some success. It's mainly being used as a perch, but we'll see how we do. We'll play with it a bit more and then we'll give it to the recycling men. Thank you very much for all your support over the last month. It's been super cool. We didn't really know what to expect, did we?
No.
You still don't know what to expect.
No.
And I don't know either, but it's been super cool. We've really enjoyed it, and yeah, hopefully more to come in the new year. So stay tuned. We may have some content in between now and January 1st. I love your face. It's all right. It's Libby. It's more Libby. It's Libby highlights and things over the last year. So stay tuned for all that, and then we will see you in 2019 for some exciting new stuff. And also, drop us a sub if you haven't already. You got anything more to say, Cliff?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Bye.
Hang on a minute.
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So bye-bye. Go on then. I release thee.